welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to check out some Smashbox trios. The trio that I'm playing with today is called It's Fire and it is stunning, absolutely beautiful. There's Pixie Dust, which is just this amazing gold glitter shimmer that I just love. It's kind of yellow. Sizzle, Real, which is really amazing, like it's a burnt yellow. And then Push Up Bronzer is this coppery color here. Love these. They are stunning. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, why did they put 3 shimmers in this? What good does that do you? These things are so little and tiny. They're super easy to store. I love them. See, look how many I have. And I know I have more, actually. These are just the ones I have sitting here because these are the ones I got at the sale. Some of them are all matte, some of them are all shimmers, some of them are shimmers and mattes. And then I also have 2 that are glitters. This one is Holy Crop and it has a shimmer, a matte, and another glitter kind of color. And these 2, as you can see, are real similar. You gotta watch out when you're buying these so you're not just buying duplicates, because they do have some that are, yeah, those 2 are just so close together it's not even funny. And then we have this one here, and this is a glitter. These ones that are glitters have a base shade in them. This one's called Prismatic. It has a beautiful base shade right there. And then these 2 glitters that are freaking holy crap amazing. I've been like obsessed with that blue right there. It's just beautiful. I'm going to use them and this one called Nude. And we're going to create a look with mainly the It's Fire, which is this one here with all the golds and shimmery bronzy colors, you know. I love that one. I'm really short on brushes today. I washed my brushes. Yeah, they're still damp. So I'm gonna be digging for brushes that I don't normally use. So I'm gonna take the base shade out of this one and put that all over my lid. There are no mirrors or anything on these. And this one, when I swiped it, that matte did kick up some, but I hadn't noticed that with other brushes. So maybe it's just this brush. Now I'm going to take Nude and I am just gonna pop that in my outer corner and crease. So I have that in my outer corner and crease, and I'm gonna wanna deepen that up a little. So I am gonna take Miss Chili, which is this brown in here that is beautiful. It is such a rich pigmented brown, and I'm just going to deepen up my outer corner. Oh my god, I am using the crappiest brushes I own. This one ain't so bad, but the other one was all scratchy and awful. So you have different directions you could go with this. You could just use like this one all over the lid, put the orange burnt yellow down here and really go after that bronze, and then put that yellow on the inner corner. And I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. And now I'm gonna take Pixie Dust and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner here. I don't know, there's not enough pop to this yet, so I'm gonna take Push Up Bronzer and I'm going to sort of rim the outer corner of just the lid. Okay, to pop this up, I am going to take some setting spray. This one is from BH Cosmetics. Sizzle Real. Put that on my lid. I'm gonna grab my NYX glitter glue and put some of that on my lid and try building that up just a little bit more because I really want that shine in the center. So I just put some Pixie Dust over some NYX glitter glue right in the center of the lid, and then I'll do the same thing to my inner corner and go in with the Pixie Dust again. That really does make that just shine beautifully. I'm gonna grab the Holy Crop one again and take some more of that brown and just bring that around the outside of my eye right here. I am being really smudgy with it. Now I'm gonna take a little brush and I'm gonna take that Push Up Bronze, which is this one here, and just stick that right in the center of my lid. that is smashing. So I'm going to take my Beauty for Real in Champagne and do my waterline. So I'm going to take my Jaunt Blue eyeliner and do a nice eyeline with this. So let's do some blush. I think I'm going to go with Sunny. I'm going to use a blush topper and highlight from my Smashbox Photo Strip Highlight Palette. So I'm just going to highlight with this one right here. And then I'm going to take this one up here and use it as a blush topper. So I'm going to take my Double Decker mascara from Butter London and do my lashes. And then I will top that with some Tarte Lifted because this stuff smudges and flakes terribly. But I love the way it looks. I'm going to use my Smashbox Out Loud Liquid Matte Liquid Lipstick. I love this liquid lipstick so much. So I'm going to buff in my makeup real quick. Now, when I do my face this way, I like to buff everything in, and then if I want more highlight, I go back in with more highlight. Is there ever enough highlight? I don't think so. And there's my finished look with my It's Fire palette, plus a few extra Smashbox colors because, like I said, there's no mattes in here. And that is perfectly fine with me. I store all of these together. They're kind of like one palette for me. I know that sounds like crazy, maybe. I don't know. I love them. I am obsessed. As a matter of fact, I'm restraining myself from putting gold glitter in the middle of this because I have this one, and look at that gold glitter. It's just, oh, so pretty. But I already have that Pixie Dust in the center of my lid, and it looks beautiful. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm going to do just a little bit with my finger because I'm that kind of extra. So yeah, this is the It's Fire palette primarily. I mean, those are the colors you're really seeing popping on my lid. I love these palettes. I think they're so fun to work with, and I haven't found any of the shades that are bad, like not one of them. They're $22 a piece, but you can get them for like $18 if you go through Ipsy or Ebates or something, and you get 10% off, plus Smashbox has sales. I was getting them for about $15 a piece. I think that's a reasonable deal for these really beautiful palettes. I mean, you can't buy a single for $15 of a good shadow. I think these are a steal of a deal. I absolutely love them. This one specifically, the Holy Crap, I can throw that in my purse and go anywhere and have a look all ready to go. I don't have to think about it because it's in this little thing. All depends on which one you buy. All right, let me know what you think of these and if you've tried them, and if you haven't, please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell because if you don't, you won't get any notifications at all, and now YouTube doesn't give you notifications of every time I put up a video anyways, so please check out my channel and see if there's anything you've missed. Thank you for watching. Bye!